Hi everyone and welcome back. I've got a fantastic pizza dough recipe for you today. There's no yeast in this, so you can have it made and baked in 15 minutes. Alright, let's make homemade pizza. We're making this pizza dough with plain flour. Pop it into a bowl and into this add in the baking powder and the salt. Mix together so that all the ingredients are well combined. Next we need to add the wet ingredients. I've got some warm water here and into this pour in the olive oil. This will give the dough extra flavour. Pour into the dry ingredients and using either a fork or a spoon bring the mixture together. I find it easier to bring the dough together by using my hands. When the dough ball is formed, pop it onto a floured surface and knead it a little. Using a rolling pin or you can use your hands, roll it out into a nice big pizza. Do your best to get it into a nice round circle. I find this the hardest part of making a homemade pizza, but it doesn't really matter what shape it is because it'll be eaten anyway. It's so delicious. Pop onto a pizza tray. This dough is so easy to handle and work with. Use your fingers to push the dough out to the edge of the pizza tray. Now let's add the pizza toppings. I like a nice easy pizza, so we're going with pepperoni. I'm adding some of my homemade 1-minute pizza sauce. Check out my recipe if you want to make it. It's so easy to make as you just blend all the ingredients together. Next add grated mozzarella and sprinkle it all over. As you can see, I love lots of cheese on my pizza. Next up, it's the pepperoni, and I've got these lovely little pepperonis. I'm just going to put lots of these on top. There you have it, so easy to make and delicious. Bake in a hot oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Here we have it, and it looks and smells gorgeous. The cheese is nice and golden and the pepperonis are cooked. It smells so good. Let's cut into it so you can see how nice the pizza crust is. This pizza crust is delicious and totally worth making, and you can add all your own favourite toppings. Sure, it's bound to taste good. Please try it out and let me know what you think. Happy baking everyone!